Hello children, good morning. Today I will teach you vowels and consonants. So let's start. Vowels and consonant. You have to go in few worksheets on vowels and consonants. There are 26 letters in English alphabet family. Letters A, E, I, O, U are vowels, and all letters other than vowels are called consonants. Okay, and next, vowels and consonant. Vowels A, E, I, O, U. You have to write like this vowels. Other alphabets are called as consonants. Okay, so students, we do some worksheet on this. Write vowels in V and consonants in C. In this V, we will write vowel. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. So write here A, E, I, O, U. Okay. We have to write consonant in here. Consonants B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So students, you have to write like this. Okay. Then next, let us find vowels in word. So start. First picture is cat. C, A, T. Cat. A. A is vowel. So write here A. Next picture is hen. H, E, N. Hen. E. E is vowel. So write here E. Next picture is 6. S, I, X. 6. I. I is vowel. So write here I. Next, hot. H, O, T. Hot. O. O is vowel. So write here O. Next picture is tub. T, U, B. Tub. U. U is vowel. So write here U. So these are vowels. Next is let us find consonants in word. So let's start. C-A-T. Cat. C, T are consonant. So write here C, T. Next, H-E-N. Hen. H, N. H and N are consonants. So write here H, N. Next, S-I-X is 6. X, X. S and X are consonants. So write here S, X. Next, H-O-T. Hot. H, T are consonant. So write here H, T. Next, T-U-B. Tub. T, B are consonants. So write here T, B. In letters other than vowels are consonant. So students, you have to write like this. Okay, children, try will worksheet at your home. Thank you and bye.